Yeah, hello again. I've put a short video together on how to adjust the Koni Red 82 series shocks. I have them on the rear of my D40. I've found it to be quite a useful upgrade. These shocks are adjustable and you can do it while they're still on the vehicle, so I'll show you how to do it. So this tutorial would be good for any vehicle like this with a solid rear axle and two rear shocks. So these are 82 series Konis, and all we need to do is undo the lower bolt. They're 19mm, both the bolt head and the nut. The next step is we have to collapse the shock absorber. So we push it right up into the body as far as it will go. So once you've hit the stop, you twist the bottom of the shock and you'll feel it engage in the slot inside, and turn it fully clockwise. Okay, so that's the softest setting. And then it's got about 2.5 turns, which you turn anti-clockwise, and that's the stiffest setting. See, I can barely move that. Well, I can't move it. So soften it off and get a marker pen and do that. Okay, now we've got the marks lined up. That's fully soft. So I'm going to set this at about 1 3/4 turns out of a maximum of 2.5. So it's engaged. I'm going to turn it anti-clockwise. So that's 1 turn. That's 2 turns. I'll just back it off to about there. And I can pull it down and disengage it. So it's not engaged anymore. And then it's just a matter of putting it back where it belongs and put the bolt in.